You know I'm a girl who likes to eat, so I've been thinking about what I'm gonna do with that avocado all morning long. I'm gonna stuff it full of veggies, full of quinoa. It's gonna be delicious. There's a couple different kinds of quinoa. The red is a bit firmer, a bit nuttier. The white's a bit fluffier, a bit softer. So it's a nice pairing in the textures. You can actually hear the little tiny pop, 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 pop. The white quinoa is gonna change color just slightly. It's gonna get a deeper, richer flavor. And I'm all about the flavor. I think they're just about done. Pump up the flavor with some veggie stock. To my avocado. Not only is this avocado gonna make part of the delicious filling, it's also gonna be my bowl. Something that's really cool about avocados is that because they grow in pairs, the Aztecs considered them a symbol of love and fertility. Does that mean they're a good date night food? Worth a shot. A good salad is not just about putting a bunch of veggies on a plate. You want to layer colors, textures. I've got creamy, rich avocado. Let's add a bit of acid. A little sweet, a little chewy. Now for some crunch, keeping with the Mediterranean vibe, a little walnut. To bring it all together, walnut oil. Speaking of nutty, it doesn't stop there, folks. I've got my quinoa. Give it a fluff. Any leftover quinoa, that's a good thing. Put it in the fridge, use it for another salad. And now, I stuff. Such a fun way to serve salad. This little bad boy's got everything you need. Veggies, quinoa, avocado, total package. Taking bets on whether or not I can eat all 4 of these myself, I'd probably take those odds. Feta. These guys are going in the oven. Yeah, see, when the feta comes out and it's actually got the little toasty bits on top, that's when you get excited about lunch. I choose you and you. Just a little bit of lime, I think. Something to make it all pop. I was born ready for this. You got any salad skeptics in your life? That's sure to win them over. And since I need something to do while I'm eating lunch, maybe I could just think about what I'm gonna make for dinner. It's a sensible thing to do, really.